Let's go. Yeah. Hey, man. How you doing, man? Now listen, man. This is my natural speaking voice, man. I ain't using no effects. I ain't using no filters on my voice, man. Why am I doing that? What's up? Basically, this video is about the Golf R turbo sound. I had some interesting comments on my videos. One of them, a guy was saying, is that the normal turbo sound coming from the Golf R, or have you modified it? So I haven't modified this car at all. Totally standard. So what I want to do in this video is show you what the standard turbo sound is on the Golf R. I've got the 2016 model. And the way I do this, I don't think DSG guys that have got this car, I don't think you can do the same thing. I actually think when the DSG changes, even if you do a manual change on the wheel, you still don't get the same sort of noise. And I'm going to try and show you what I mean. Basically, I'm going to have this in race mode, and then I'm going to try individual as well, just to cut the different settings to see what sound I can get. But what I found is when I'm in sort of third gear, fourth gear, and sometimes second, you go fairly slow and then put your foot down. It obviously builds some boost, and then change early, and you get some turbo sound. So some people were commenting saying, "Hey man, you gon' change that sound? You got some sort of sound filter on there, or you some kind of dump valve, man?" Come on, mate, you go. I think with the manual, you can get turbo sounds like this. Here we go. So there you go. That is the turbo noise that I can get from this car, and that is without any filters, mate. Hey, mate! Anyway, so that's what we've got. And if I was to use some filters, and let's say you can dream for a minute, because I think on YouTube and with videos, we can dream, can't we? We can imagine what it could look like and sound like. I think if I had the choice, I would want this car to sound something like this. Let me just check it's clear. Let's go. Or if we're going to go really crazy, then I want the Golf R to sound like this. Yeah, yeah. So there you go. That is another video. Turbo power. So I'll be interested to know your comments. As I said, I've not put any filters on that original video, the footage that I've just shown you. Obviously the last couple there were edited slightly in my editing suite on my MacBook, but all joking aside, that is the noise I'm getting from the Golf R when I change gear. It's kind of a head turner. I think people do hear it and have a little listen and quite like it. I like doing it. As always, thank you for watching the Golf R videos and supporting the channel, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Peace and love.